Hey everyone, so I'm coming to you guys with another video. I'm outside. I wanted to catch this weather, this nice weather that we're having out here in New York. We've been having a really crazy spring winter, and so I wanted to get in front of the camera in my natural habitat and just say hi. And also I wanted to let you guys know I'm having a giveaway. So I'm an April baby. Shout out to all my Aries, Team Aries. And I wanted to give to two lucky people prizes that would be from the company, my company, Love of Being a Naturals. And that would be a choice, I should say giveaway winner number one would have their choice of a helpful planner, either choosing from the kid or the adult version. And they would receive with that 4-ounce container of our Citrus Sun Kiss Sealer. Make sure you seal in all that moisture. And also, they would receive a 10-day supply of Pit Power Pack. Now, many people say that these packs tend to last them way longer than a day on average for one, so you can most likely get even 2 weeks out of these packs. The second place winner will get the 10-day pack of Pit Power Pack deodorant. Now, here are the rules. YouTubers that are subscribed, comment below in the giveaway. If you're an Instagrammer and you're not subscribed to YouTube like that, go over to the Instagram page and you can comment with the giveaway. Just saying, hey, I'm a follower. Hey, here for the giveaway. Because I'm definitely gonna check. It's really just giving back. I want to give back to you guys because it's been quite a journey, and I'm so thankful that you guys are coming along for the ride with me and definitely helping to increase the community and just building this support. All right. So again, thank you so much, and until next time, peace.